I'll show you exactly how to install and use custom fonts in Visual Studio Code. First, choose a coding-friendly font. Popular options include Fira Code, JetBrains Mono, Cascadia Code, or Source Code Pro. Just Google the font name and download it from a trusted source like GitHub, Google Fonts, or the publisher's website. For example, today we are going to be installing JetBrains Mono. Open up Google and search JetBrains Mono font, and select the link from the publisher's website. Next, click Download Font in the top right navigation and save it somewhere on your computer. Once downloaded, unzip the archive. Open and navigate to Fonts, then TTF. Select all the fonts with Ctrl+A and right-click on any file and click Install from the menu. On Windows, this adds it to your system fonts. Now open VS Code and click on the gear icon in the lower left panel and select Settings. In the commonly used section that is showing, look for Editor, Font Family. Clear out any current fonts and input JetBrains Mono in the text box. If your font supports ligatures, you can enable them by searching for font ligatures in Settings, and turning them on in the settings.json by setting this boolean to true. This makes operators display in a more styled way. Now, restart VS Code. That's it. A new font can totally change the feel of your editor. Drop your favorite font in the comments, and if this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick dev tips.